Eating with my hands makes me feel so connected to my food. I mean, these are better than any fork and knife. Today, I'm making a brunch that's all about foods that you can pick up and pop in your mouth, starting with prosciutto egg cups. And I'm just gonna use my hands to tuck in the prosciutto. And I'm using 2 slices of prosciutto per cup because I want the cup to be nice and sturdy to hold that egg. I'm gonna get these into the oven until they're golden and crispy and sturdy enough to hold those eggs. This smells so good. And I've just got a little bit of bell pepper, red and green, and some red onions just sweating in here. Now, what do I mean by sweating? It's simple. There's no color on here. They're slowly cooking out. And I'm adding in the garlic right at the very end. This way it doesn't burn. They say a good chef is one that doesn't burn the garlic. And while this cooks up, have a look at what's ready. Prosciutto cups! They're golden in color and they've crisped up. They're gonna be perfect for those eggs. Speaking of eggs, let's make the mixture. That pepper mixture is ready to go. And I just want it to cool down. Let's finish this with a little bit of milk. And you'll notice there's not a lot in here. You don't need too much. Some pepper would hold on the salt. That prosciutto's salty on its own. And everything delicious for me needs a little cheese. I'm using Gouda. It's not too tangy, and it's nutty, but most of all, I love the way it melts. I'm saving a little to garnish over top. Get this mixed together. Time for those colorful veggies. I told you, this looks just like a Western omelet. And I couldn't think of a better breakfast. It's got everything in it. The protein, the veggies, perfect for a pregnant lady or for anyone that wants an all-in-one. It's missing one last thing though, a little cheese topper. All I need to do is pop these back into the oven until the egg sets, and I'll be ready to try these. Look at this. The egg is puffed up and it's golden. That cheese is melted. Okay, I can't wait another second. Oh my goodness, look at that. Little chive for pop of color, and I love that fresh onion flavor.